Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks! Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is the third and final video in my broken nail series, I call it. I broke my nail Wednesday, January 29th, and you saw that at the beginning. That was my break. And then I came in and I did a temporary fix with silk and builder gel. And I only wore this temporary fix for 2 days. And then after 2 days, I removed this whole nail here, did a video on that as well, and I created this nail, this short sculpted nail out of builder gel. And in this video that I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you how I created this long extension from that short extension. I needed to get this nail to where it matched my other nails. By the time I did this last video, my nail had only been broken 4 days ago. So I think it healed pretty nicely. I will be using Yayogi's Polygel in Natural Clear. It is by far one of my favorite polygels. I will have a link for you in the description box, and there's a coupon code for you on the screen. You should really try this out. It's great to work with. I apply a medium-sized bead of polygel to my nail because I do want to have some length to this nail, and I apply it on the nail that's already been prepped, and I do have a base coat on there. And now I'm using their slip solution. And if you take notice and watch this video, watch this part here, and you're going to see just how this polygel is so easy to stretch. Just look at it and you're going to see that I don't need much slip solution at all. And to me, that's the way polygel should be. They shouldn't be soft and sticky and moving all over your nail. Polygel is meant to stay put and be easy to move around, you know? Not to make your life hard and for you to chase a polygel bead. That's not what it was meant for. If you do get a chance, do try out Yayogi's Polygel. You won't be disappointed. The clear is very nice and it reminds me a lot of Tone's Polygel and Moira Polygel. Very nice. And it is on the firm side, as you can see, not soft at all. And I just stretch it along down the form, and I'm going to go down to the mark XL. The shape I'm creating is a thin tapered square shape. I'm only using the polygel to create the tip area only, and then I will come back in with builder gel and create structure. And as you can see here, you can see that there is no hump where I have the polygel right here. You have to blend that in and get rid of that. You don't want a hump. Okay, and that is as far as the polygel is going down. This is starting to look pretty good. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the lamp for 15 to 20 seconds and start pinching ever so slightly. And to pinch polygel can be tricky because if you pinch it too soon, it's too soft. It's just going to mess up the nail really. And if you pinch it too late, you'll know because it's not going to move for you, and you could break your nail and it would really hurt. So you just have to experiment with your polygel and curing it and see what time frame is good to pinch it, because it should move nicely for you but yet keep its firm structure, you know, and you can feel it giving. Once pinching is complete, you can apply a clip to the nail to hold the pinch shape better, or you can just cure it without, but you'll need to put it back into the lamp to finish the full cure of 1 minute. The nail looks really good so far. Now I'm going to come in with my builder gel and start to encapsulate this tip and build structure. I am using Star Nails International builder gel, and this builder gel has the base included in the gel, so you really don't need a base when you use it. I did go ahead and apply a small amount of base to the nail bed area. I don't know, it's like lately I really like to sculpt my tip area with a polygel and then encapsulate and build structure with a builder gel. I don't know, I just really like doing it that way. It seems so much easier to control the polygel when I build the tip. And yeah, so for this particular nail, I only ended up doing 2 layers of the builder gel because I thought that was enough, because I am going to be building another set of nails on top of this. So I need these to be relatively thin. I like to use the liner brush around the cuticle area to spread the gel out. It just seems to work better for me. And then I look at the nail and I see if there's any low spots, and then I come in and I add beads of gel and pull it along to fill in those low spots. I'm going to flip this over and let the gel pool to the apex area and check it again. It's looking pretty good so far. Just putting a string of gel down the middle, and then once I get this the way I want, I will cure it. So yeah, I'll cure that, and then I'll apply the second layer. The second layer is applied just like the first layer, only with the second layer here I add a little bit more gel to start than I did with the first layer. And if I was to apply a third layer, I would apply even more gel to the nail to start out with. That is looking pretty good. I think I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 1 minute, and then it will be time to file. I cleaned off the tacky layer, and now it's time to file the nail. If you want to see more in depth how I file the nails, please follow the arrow and you can watch that video. So now I'm going to do most of my filing off camera, and I'll meet you back with the finished nail. This is the finished result. I think the nail looks great. It's hard to believe that in this video right here, this nail was broke so badly and it was only 4 days ago. It looks fine. Everything healed really well in 4 days. I'm really happy with it, and it looks great. It matches the rest of my nails, and now I can go on to making another nail design using these nails here. And yeah, I was wondering, what do you think about me putting all 3 of those videos that I did on this nail in one video? It would make it like maybe 20 minutes long. So tell me what you think about the nail. Tell me what you think about combining all 3 videos into one video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!